Have you ever wondered why some people seem to maintain perfect blood sugar levels with ease, while others struggle? The secret might be simpler than you think, and it could be hiding in your kitchen cabinet. Our bodies are intricate systems, performing countless tasks every second to keep us alive and well. Among these tasks is the regulation of blood sugar levels. When we consume food, our bodies break it down into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as our primary source of energy. The pancreas then releases a hormone called insulin to help our cells absorb this glucose. However, for various reasons, this process doesn't always work as smoothly as it should, leading to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. But what if there was a simple, natural remedy to help keep your blood sugar levels in check? Enter the humble apple cider vinegar, a household staple that's been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Recent studies suggest that consuming just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed can help regulate blood sugar levels. But how does it work? The science behind it is fascinating. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a substance known to suppress the digestion of complex carbohydrates. By doing this, it prevents sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, helping to maintain a steady flow of energy throughout the day. Not only does this aid in blood sugar control, but it also helps reduce cravings and promote a healthy weight. Moreover, consuming apple cider vinegar before bed has its unique benefits. During the night, our bodies go into fasting mode, causing blood sugar levels to rise. Taking apple cider vinegar before sleep can help mitigate this rise, ensuring a stable blood sugar level upon waking. So in a nutshell, a simple practice of consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed can help regulate blood sugar levels. It works by suppressing the digestion of complex carbohydrates to prevent blood sugar spikes and drops, and by counteracting the natural rise in blood sugar levels that occurs during sleep. This, in turn, promotes better overall health and well-being. Remember, while apple cider vinegar can assist in blood sugar control, it's not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are equally important. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So go ahead and give this ancient remedy a try. You might just find that perfect blood sugar balance you've been looking for. As we continue on this journey of understanding and improving our health, it's important to remember that we are all in this together. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. This simple act can help others find the information they need to take control of their health. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're constantly exploring new health topics, remedies, and lifestyle changes that can help improve our well-being. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post a new video. Remember, health isn't a destination, it's a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So let's continue this journey together. Give that like button a click, share this video, and join our community by hitting the subscribe button. Your next step to better health is just a click away.